Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a wiggle text effect on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So from here, what we're going to do first is go into the effects panel, type in turbulent displace right here, turbulent displace. So you can see it under video effects. So you want to drag it into your title right there. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the effect controls, go into turbulent displace, and then the first thing that we'll be editing is the displacement. So you can choose the different style of wiggle that you want. In my case, I'll just stick into turbulent. And then the amount of wiggle that you have, so you can customize this. As you can see right here, the larger the value right here, the wiggler it gets. So in my case, I'll just keep it small, so I'll just go for 45. And then the size also of the wiggle is basically the same. You can test this out right here, but in my case, I'll just go for 45 also. And then the next thing is the offset turbulence. So we will be animating this right here. We don't want that to be static just like that. So to animate this, all we have to do is put the playhead of our clip right here at the beginning, and then click on the keyframe on the offset turbulence. And then from here, we're gonna go at the end again, or depending on where you wanna end it right here. So in my case, I'll just go with the end, and then I'm gonna go and set my offset turbulence to times to its initial value. So this is 1960, so about 2000. So I'm gonna go set this to 2000 right there, and then just like that, and same as this one right here, I'm gonna go for 1200, just like that. And now when we play it back, then we can have it right here. We now have this animation right here of wiggle text effect in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.